In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play GTA 5 RP on the Xbox Series S. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on what you have to do to set up a roleplay server on GTA 5 or how to join on. So as you might be aware, for PC players, we can actually download a mod to implement roleplay directly into GTA 5. So all of the jobs, all of the setup will be done quickly and simply just by installing the needed mods. However, on consoles such as the Xbox Series S or X, we don't have that privilege, meaning that you won't be able to download mods. However, as of today, it is still possible for you to roleplay through the Xbox Series S or X. What you will have to do is find a community where you will be able to play from a console. In this video, I'm showing you two examples, but of course, you should do your own research and find a server that satisfies you. I'm only using these examples because, for the most part, the process of joining an RP community is basically the same. Once you find a specific community that you would like to join, usually what you will have to do is read through the rules and go through the application process. Sometimes these are extensive. So in this example, Horizon, they have an extensive list of rules, metagaming, guidelines, and as you can see, they take it very seriously. So you really have to take your own time and carefully consider which server you want to join, if it is a more serious one or a more lenient one. Once you find a specific server or community that satisfies you, usually you will have to join their Discord server. So by clicking the Discord icon, you will be redirected appropriately and you can apply from there. You will usually have to go through some training and you can find all of the necessary documents that you need to go through in order to join available on the website or on the Discord community. A good place to look for roleplay communities is going to be on YouTube or even communities like Reddit. I hope I was able to help you on how to play GTA 5 RP on Xbox Series S. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.